Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Karma and intervention. Whatever you project, you receive, and whatever is projected towards you, whether positive or negative, karma intervenes. So don't be the referee. Turn it over to God and know God favors you and anoints you when you act out of love. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you to think about a few things you're grateful for right now. I am grateful for my wife. I'm grateful for my family, and I'm grateful for my friends. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.